Hi, we're here at the Veterinary Center for Birds and Exotics, and I'm Laurie Hess, and this is Dr. Ravich, and the two of us are going to tell you a little bit about a really new, exciting program we're about to launch. It's the Veterinary Center's Life Stage Healthcare Program. So you want to tell us a little bit about this, Dr. Ravich?
Sure. So this program is a comprehensive medical plan, essentially, that is going to integrate different aspects of your pet's life, including behavioral, nutritional, and medical. A lot of times we focus a lot on the medical aspects. Obviously, we are a veterinary hospital. However, it is extremely important, especially in the patients that we see, to be sure to integrate the behavioral and nutritional components as well. So pretty much it is a way to comprehensively look at your pet's life and make plans for future stages so that we can keep them as healthy as possible.
Exactly. We know that people and cats and dogs go through different life stages. I mean, we start as young children, we go to pediatricians, adults go to internists. When we get older, we go to geriatric specialists. We take our cats and dogs to the vet. We know that we focus on different types of nutrition at different life stages, and it's really no different for the exotic pet, right? I mean,
exactly.
They age too, and we often forget to recognize that exotic pets of all species, whether they're birds, mammals like ferrets, rabbits, and rodents, or even reptiles, go through different life stages.
And it's easy for us to know what to expect because we see pets of all ages all the time. But for an owner that has a particular pet, sometimes it can be frustrating or concerning when their pet starts to show signs of aging or progressing to a different life stage. And it would be very helpful for everyone to be prepared and know what to look for, know what changes they can make at home so that their pet has the best life possible.
So that's exactly why it will help you. I mean, not only will it make you a better pet owner in being able to recognize health problems, you can improve the quality of life of your exotic pet. You actually will improve the bond that you have with your exotic pet. And in terms of preventative medical care, which is something we talk about all day here, you actually can save money if you prevent disease in your exotic pet rather than waiting till they're showing signs and are ill and have to treat them.
Exactly. And I think this is even more important in the exotic pet than in the dog or cat because the exotic pets really require such a specific environment in order to have the healthiest life possible. It's very easy for dogs and cats to accommodate and live in our house, but for every other patient of ours, a lot of times their life is based around a particular cage or setting, and they do need very specific nutritional and housing requirements in order to stay healthy.
Yeah, and those change at different stages of life. Again, we worry about things like cholesterol or arthritis. Our exotic pets suffer from those same conditions, and we have to make changes in their environment, their diet, even changing their cage around so that they can reach their food if they're getting older, making sure that they're getting the proper nutrition to grow if they're younger. These are all things that seem sort of intuitive and natural for us to think about in ourselves and our other types of pets, but maybe not so easy to think about in an exotic pet. So how does someone get involved in this, and what does it cost?
Sure. So pretty much if you are interested in this program, you just need to contact us and let us know. There's actually no additional cost aside from the regular appointment fee that we have. So it's at no specific additional cost to you. And once you contact us, we actually will sign you up for this program, and you get assigned a specific life stage advisor, which is one of our licensed veterinary technicians, to be your primary contact so that you have continuity whenever you talk with us about your pet's life and health issues. And so every time you speak to us, hopefully you will be speaking to the same person, and it will provide continuity and hopefully also foster more communication between us and yourself so that really your pet is getting the best care possible. If we do have to, if we're talking about doing any specific testing or anything like that, just like with any other visit, we provide you with an itemized estimate so that there are no surprises.
Yeah, and what's frustrating to us is that often we will see a patient when they're sick, or they'll come in once a year, and then we don't see them for a whole another year. So exactly, sometimes it's more than 1 year. So what we want to do is we are available to you. We as doctors are available to you, but our life stage advisors, our technicians who will be assigned to you, they will be available to you too. And the goal is to work with you so that you can accomplish those goals that we set out on your appointment. The goals are going to be different for different pets. They're going to be very individualized. Certainly there are certain things that we generalize, to the life stage, whether your pet is young, middle-aged, or older, but every pet is different, and we need to recognize those differences and to make specific recommendations. So our goal really, really is to make your pet's life better, make your pet's interaction with you better, and to do it in a manageable way that all of us can implement and enjoy.
And actually, every time you come in for a visit, if you're one of our life stage patients, we'll be filling out a specific form that we will save as part of your patient's record and also send you home with a copy of. And basically this form is going to detail any particular issues or medical problems that your pet has, any goals we want to accomplish, including nutritional goals, changes in the environment, medical goals, anything like that, goals we want to accomplish, and then specific dates for when we want to touch base with you and talk with you and do recheck exams. So it'll be it's very comprehensive, and you'll be going home with homework essentially to work on too.
It's a really novel approach. I don't think anyone has really looked at exotic pet care quite this way before, and it's for all species. So if you want to get involved, you just need to give us a call and explain to our wonderful receptionist who'll make you an appointment that you want to be part of the Life Stage Healthcare Program, and come in and meet us, and we will do the best we can to make your pet healthy, happy, and live a long life.